Hello, we continue with the for loop. So last time we were writing a code to display some numbers. Today I will talk about, in this video I will talk more about the break statements, continue statement and exit statement. So let me run this. So as you see, this displays numbers from 1 to 10. So in some cases, based on some condition, you may want to go outside of the loop. For example, if I want to say I will display all the numbers, but as soon as the number is divisible by 5, evenly divisible by 5, then go outside of the loop. So let's say, so the condition would be if. So how do I find out if a number is divisible by 5 evenly? So I can say if you divide I by 5, if the remainder is 0, that means I is evenly divisible by 5. So if I say if I modular operator 5, if this is 0, then go outside of the loop. So if that is the case, okay, if that is the case, go outside. So I say break. Break take me to outside of the for loop. So if otherwise, display the number. So I don't have to put else statement here, because if that is the case, I will not come to here anyway. So the else statement is optional here. So let me just run it. Okay, it display 1, 2, 3, 4, but it didn't display 5, and it took me outside of the loop because of the break. And let's say I don't want to go outside of the loop. I want to continue, but I don't want to display 5. So actually, let me make this, let's say 18. Okay. So let me just, so if I run this, it does the same thing. But instead of break, if I say continue, continue means continue with the next iteration. So when it comes to here, it says continue. In that current loop, I do not continue in here, so this one is not executed. So as soon as we see the continue, it goes to the next iteration without continuing in the current loop. So if I run it, so it displayed 1, 2, 3, 4, and we see 5. 5 is evenly divisible by 5. So it did not display 5, and it displays 6, 7, 8, 9, and for the 10, it doesn't display 10, it doesn't display 15, and so on. Okay, so that is the continue. And let me put, so outside of the for loop in here, let me just say goodbye. Okay, so let's say goodbye. Okay, so if I run it, okay, it displayed all the numbers, and at the end it said goodbye. So if I say break, let's see what happens. It displayed 1, 2, 3, 4, and then break took me outside of the loop, and then we continue from here. Once you go outside of loop, you continue here. But let's say I want to stop the program. I don't want to even come to here. I don't want to go outside of the for loop. I want the program to terminate right here. So in that case, we say system, okay, dot exit, and then status 0, meaning we successfully stopped the program or intentionally. So let me just run the program. Okay, it displayed 1, 2, 3, 4, and it did not display goodbye. So the program is terminated right here. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody, and have a nice day.